Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug in or ensure battery 20% so settings changes don't interrupt. Then open Settings and use the search bar to find Data Saver. You do this because some Vivo models hide the toggle under network or battery options. Once located, pause and verify whether it's a global data saver or app-specific. Make sure to note the Android version shown in Settings about Phone. This helps decide the exact menu path for the next steps. You'll now turn Data Saver off. Tap the global toggle. When it switches to off, background data is re-enabled. If you see an app's exception list, open it and allow the apps you want to run in background. This prevents interruptions to sync or notifications. Next, go to Apps App Management, pick Key Apps, and enable background activity or background data. This ensures they work even if System Data Saver tries to control them later. Finish by restarting your Vivo so all permissions and toggles apply cleanly. Once done, test by opening a restricted app and confirming background sync. If limits persist, reset network settings to restore normal data rules. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the Settings app cache in App Settings if toggles don't respond. If problems continue, update system's software or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.